Alright guys, here's something different. My son and I are over here hanging out at the PHL airport, just watching some planes coming in and doing some landings. Not too long ago, we caught a couple fighter jets doing some touch and goes. That was pretty neat, very loud, but very neat. Got another, looks like there's another plane coming over in the distance there. I'm gonna wait for that to come in and then I'll flip the camera around so you guys can watch too. See ya. I have no idea what, oh, that's a UPS plane. Look at that. Some nice packages are coming into PHL. I couldn't tell you the first thing about airports or airplanes or any of that. We just happened to be out today, hanging out. I had a half day of work, and we decided to take a ride and check out some planes coming in. So I don't know what's coming in. I don't know how frequently they come in. I know they come out from over there behind the refinery. I know at the other end of the airport, which is way down there, they come in from that side too. I guess when the runway is clear. That way is southbound, and up here is northbound, or at least that's where the airport ports or points, I guess. But yeah, it was pretty cool. We saw a couple go off, but more than anything else, it looks like they're landing. I guess that's maybe an afternoon schedule or something. I guess the planes leave in the morning and come in the afternoon. I guess it makes sense. Everywhere else in the world, everybody's taking off in the morning, so I guess they land in the afternoon. Oh, looks like we got there's an American Airlines plane right there. Looks like he's getting ready. He's taxiing over. Let's see if we can catch him taking off. See the plane? Look over there. Plane's gonna take off. I think my son's more interested in the cars and trucks that go by on the road than the planes taking off in the air. Got a couple truck drivers to honk their horn for him, so that was nice of them. Oh, you seeing another one coming in behind me? All right. There he goes. Up and away. See you wherever your destination is. Jerry and I were just talking about this the other day. There actually is a set of tracks over here that I believe are abandoned. I would imagine at one point they belonged to CSX, but they haven't ran this in a while, and just running down the road you can see there's all kinds of debris all on the track in between the rails, and it has not been upkept in a while. So the tracks themselves, the rails themselves, they're not even shiny anymore. So I don't know what ran on it. I don't know where it goes, but it ain't being used no more. And it goes for miles. Alright, here's one more. Yeah, he's landing. Another American Airlines. It's a small one, probably a commuter plane of some sort. And then look over there, gee, look, there's one taking off. Down there's another one going. Get ready to. Camera keeps trying to focus on the fence. go. Oh. Oh, there's another one lining up. Here, look at the camera. Look at the camera. See the plane?
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah.
He's gonna go up and away. No. No. Oh. Sorry for the shaky hands. I got my son on the roof of the car. Trying to make sure he don't try to play Superman here. Alright, down the runway he goes. Alright, well, there's something different for you. So today we're not rail riders, we're, I don't know, runway watchers, I guess, or something. But either way, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you hanging out with me and my son. We're having a little fun over here. It's a nice thing to do. We stay away from people. We're in a safe place. Yeah, think about it. If you got an airport near you, find a spot to watch some planes. Other than that, guys, stay safe, be well, and I guess let's watch the friendly skies. I don't know. See ya.